See,
What it is?
ma'am,
Sundarlal Bahuguna, Varghese Kurian, Jadhav Payne, Rajendra Singh.
Jadhav Singh.
Lean is the correct answer. Do you know the story behind this? He was a common man and he found 100. Today he has created a whole forest over there. Question number 2. Which environmental movement was led by Sundarlal Bahuguna? Option A, Silent Valley Movement, Chipko Movement. Option C, Narmada Bachao Andolan. Option D, Jungle Bachao Movement. Jawahar House.
Ma'am, Chipko movement, which was started in 1973.
Very good. It's the Chipko. Option D, Baba Amting. That's the wrong answer. Kalam House, it's passed to you. Yes, Stuti, answer it.
Rajendra Singh.
Very good. That's Rajendra Singh. And 1 plus marks for passing question. Question number 4, Jawahar House. Which movement was started in Uttarakhand to protect trees from being cut down? Jawahar House. Question number 4.
Ma'am, Chipko movement.
Let me give the option. Bishnoi movement, Chipko movement, Epico movement, Green India Mission.
Chipko movement.
Correct answer. Question number 5. Who was the founder of the Bishnoi? Yes, Jawahar House. Do you want to repeat the question? Who was the founder of the Bishnoi community? Famous for protecting wildlife and trees. Guru Jambeshwar, Swami Vivekanand, Guru Nanak or Dayanand Saraswati ji? That's the wrong answer. The Kalam House, would you like to answer? The question passes to Kalam House.
Guru Jambeshwar.
Very good. Guru Jambeshwar is the correct answer. Now it's turn for Kalam House.
C. Narmada Bachao Andolan. D. Green Revolution.
C. Narmada Bachao Andolan.
Your answer is correct. The second question is, which is the oldest national park in India? Kaziranga National Park, Jim Corbett National Park, Ranthambore National Park, and Gir National Park. Jim Corbett National Park. Yes, your answer is correct. Third question, Jim Corbett National Park is located in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Thailand, Royal Bengal tiger, one-horned rhinoceros, snow leopard.
One-horned rhinoceros.
Your answer is correct. Fifth question, Gir National Park is the only national habitat of the option A, Bengal tiger, B, Asiatic lion, C, Indian elephant, D, black dog.
B. Asiatic lion.
Your answer is correct.
Correct answer. The correct answer is Gujarat. Question 2 or Kanha. National Park famous for Bengal tigers in Rajasthan. Kanha.
Sundarbans.
That's the wrong answer. Correct answer. Ranthambore. Plus 1 point. Kerala or Assam.
West Bengal.
That's the correct answer. Famous for snow leopards, mangrove forest and Royal Bengal tigers, one-horned rhinoceros or elephant.
Mangrove forest and Royal Bengal tiger.
Very good. If you have given 2 correct answers regarding Sundarbans, then why it was wrong for first one? सारी चीजों को connect करिए, okay? Last question for Patel House. Which national park inspired Rudyard Kipling's The Jungle Book? You must have seen the cartoon, The Jungle Book. So, which national park inspired Rudyard Kipling, The Jungle Book? Option A, Bandipur. Option B, Kanha. Option C, Gir. Option D, Periyar. Yes, Patel House. Do you remember the characters? Just connect it to some of the states, you will get the answer. Which national park inspired Rudyard Kipling's The Jungle Book? Bandipur. Option B, Kanha. Option C, Gilbert Gill National
Kanha.
Park. And question
B.
option B, Periyar.
बी होगा.
Yes. That's the wrong answer. Passes to Subhash House.
B.
Subhash House, would you like to give the correct answer if you know?
कृष्णा है बी.
I will repeat the question. Which national park inspired Rudyard Kipling's The Jungle Book? Bandipur, Kanha, Gir or Periyar? Correct answer. The correct answer is Kanha National Park. Now it's for Subhash House.
ये उसको मैं जिता देता.
First question. Kanha National Park is located in Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, Assam.
मध्य प्रदेश. मध्य.
Correct answer.
देखा मैं अपना उसको
Next
जिता देता.
question. Project Tiger was launched in 1971, 1972, 1973, 1975.
1975.
Very good. The answer is correct.
मैं जीत जाता.
Which national park is famous for white elephants in Kerala? Silent Valley, Periyar, Kanha, Bandipur. Which national park is famous for white elephants in Kerala? Silent Valley, Periyar, Kanha, Bandipur. Correct answer. Next, which is India's largest tiger reserve? Bandipur, Jim Corbett, Nagarjuna Sagar, Sri Salem Tiger Reserve. Option D, Kanha. Which is India's largest tiger reserve? Option A, Bandipur. B, Jim Corbett. C, Nagarjuna Sagar, Sri Salem Tiger Reserve. D, Kanha. Your answer is wrong. Question passes to Jawahar House. Which is Salem Tiger Reserve? Option B, Kanha.
You have a chance to read yourself. Let's check out that. The answer is in the options only if you listen carefully.
Yes, your answer is correct. Next question. Which day is celebrated as International Tiger Day? 5th June, 22nd April, 29th July, and 3rd of March. Your answer is wrong. Question passes to Jawahar House. Which day is celebrated as International Tiger Day? 5th June, 22nd April, 29th July, 3rd of March. Your answer is also wrong. Yes, Rita.
House you got 13 marks and which is the highest marks, and Patel House you got 6 marks, Subhash House has got 9 marks.
Yes, this is the correct answer. This is the image of Chipko movement. So what happened in Chipko movement when the people living in the Garhwal district of Uttarakhand, they came. It was morning time. All the ladies were there. So what did they did to protect the forest? They just went and they hugged the trees. So the contractors have to move back. Then second image. Did you identify this image? Which phenomena is being shown? You have to identify the phenomena. Passes to Kalam House. Kalam House. And what this phenomena is known as? You have to name the phenomena. Yes, what it is called? This all is a mechanism, but what it is called?
रिफ्लेक्शन होगा ना रिफ्रैक्शन
Patel House. Would
फिनोमिना
you like to answer?
फिनोमिना पूछा है रिफ्लेक्शन होगा
Then show the image again. Yes, Subhash House wants to answer. Correct answer. This is the greenhouse effect. Then Kalam House, your first image. It has been shown. You have to identify what this connection shows. Rachina, show to all the audiences also.
Fuji
No. No. Specific phenomena. What does it show? How we are connected to each other, with each and every organism. Very good. It's food web. The second image. This image I think everybody should know. I'm sure this side also. He is very famous person. Yes, he is Sonam Wangchuk, and what he has done for our ecosystem, that is not a hidden thing. Next question, Patel House. You have to identify this symbol. What does this symbol represent? If you see this symbol anywhere, what you have to do? Very good. This is the symbol of radioactivity. And if ever you see this symbol anywhere of any of the material, make sure don't touch and report it immediately. Okay? Next. Answering them obviously recycled but completed. You can see 3 arrows. What does this represent? Very good. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Next, Subhash House. Very good. Here's Jadhav Payne who built that forest. Next image please. Identify this image. Whose photo is this? Yes, Subhash House. You have answered lots of questions regarding this person. I think most of the questions were circling around him only. Yes, that's the correct answer. He is Mr. Sundarlal Bahuguna. So, third round, as I have discussed, this round is divided into an unfair colonial tax system. The community pins its survival on a cricket match to waive this tax. Name the movie. Your options are Swadesh, Lagan, Kedarnath or Karli Hawa. Kedarnath. Subhash House. This satirical drama addresses open defecation, public sanitation, and clean water management in rural India, showing how poor sanitary infrastructure directly degrades the local environment and public health. Name the movie. Your options are Istri, Sarkate Ka Atank, option B, Toilet and Prem Katha, option C, Sui Dhaga, option D, Bala.
हमने देखी है टॉयलेट, हाँ टॉयलेट।
Yes, Subhash House, it's your turn. Name the movie.
टॉयलेट
स्त्री, टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा, सुई धागा और बाला.
अबे बता रहे कुछ।
Yes, the correct answer is toilet एक प्रेम कथा. Now start. Where the native population lives in perfect harmony with nature. Your options are option A, Interstellar, option B, Avatar, option C, Dune, option D, Star Wars. Do you want me to repeat the question? Which famous sci-fi film features Moon Pandora, showcasing a deeply interconnected ecosystem where the native population lives in perfect harmony with the nature? Interstellar, Avatar, Dune, or Star Wars? Yes, that's the correct answer. Now, Balam House starring Vidya Balan as an upright forest officer. This critically acclaimed film develops deep into the complexities of human-wildlife conflict, habitat loss, and bureaucratic red tape as officials attempt to track a displaced tigress. Your options: Sherni, Road, option C, Jungle, option D, Gilead. That's the correct answer. Your options are Valley, Finding Nemo, Moana, or Cars. Which animated means a cartoon movie film teaches about the importance of oceans and reducing pollution? Valley, Finding Nemo, Moana, or Cars? Finding Nemo? That's the wrong answer. Subhash House? Which animated film teaches about the importance of oceans and reducing pollution? Valley, Finding Nemo, Moana, or Cars?
मोहना मोहना।
Yes, Subhash, how would you like to answer?
मोहना है।
Yes, one is the correct answer. Subhash, now it's your turn. Name the movie in which wealthy people choose to live on the space stations instead of Earth because Earth has become polluted and overcrowded. Your options are Avatar, The Day After Tomorrow, Elysium, or The Avengers.
सेकंड। अबे सेकंड।
Name the movie in which wealthy people choose to live on the space station instead of Earth because Earth has become polluted and overcrowded. Option A, Avatar. Option B, The Day After Tomorrow. Option C, Elysium. Option D, The Avengers.
The answer is the Day After Tomorrow.
No, that's the wrong answer. Passes to Jawahar House.
From Jawahar House. Question first. What is sparrow Option A, 20th February. B, 20th March. C, 20th April. D, 5th of June. World Sparrow Day is observed on A, 20th February. B, 20th March. C, 20th April. D, 5th June. Yes, Jawahar Rao? Yes, your answer is correct. So the second question for Jawahar Rao. World Wildlife Day is celebrated on 3rd March, 5th June, 22nd April, 16th September. World Wildlife Day is celebrated on 3rd March, 5th June, 22nd April, 16th September.
चल गया
Wrong answer. Question passes to Kalam House. Third March, 5th June, 22nd April, 16th September. Your answer is correct. Jawahar House. Next question for you. International Day of Forest is observed on 20th March, 21st March, 22nd March, 5th June. Correct. Next question. World Water Day is celebrated every year on 21st March, 22nd March, 23rd March, 5th June. Your answer is wrong. Question passes to Kalam House. World Water Day is celebrated every year on 21st March. Your answer is wrong. Earth Day is observed on 5th June, 22nd April, 22nd. International Day for Biological Diversity is celebrated on 22nd April, 22nd May, 5th June, 29th July. International Day for Biological Diversity is celebrated 22nd April, 22nd May, 5th June, 29th July. Correct. Kalam House. Next question. Word 17th June, 15th June, 21st June, 5th July. The answer is wrong. Passes to Patel House. World Day to combat desertification and drought is observed on 17th June, 15th June, 21st June, 5th July. Yes, your answer is correct. Next question for Kalam House. International Tiger Day is celebrated on 26th July, 29th July, 5th August, 12th August.
International Vulture Awareness Day is observed on 1st Saturday of September, 5th September, 16th September, or option D, 2nd October. Your options are 1st Saturday of September, B. September. World Rhino Day. 21st September, 22nd September, 23rd September, or 24th September. That's the wrong answer. Passes to Subhash House. World Rhino Day is celebrated on 21st September, 22nd September, 23rd September, or 24th September. That's the correct answer. Plus 1 for Subhash House. That's the wrong answer. And now it will not be bad because all the options have been wrong. The correct answer is 2nd December. Subhash December or 11th December. That's the correct answer. International Mountain Day is observed on International Mountain Day. Option A, 10 December. Option B, 11 December. Option C, 14 December. Option D, 18 December. International Mountain Day is observed on 10 December, 11 December, 14 December, or 18 December. That's the wrong answer. Kalam House. That's the correct answer. Plus 1 for Kalam House for the correct answer. Back to Subhash House. Your last question is National Energy Conservation Day is observed on option A, 11 December, option B, 14 December, option C, 16 December, option D, 22nd December. Yes, give the correct answer. Energy Conservation Day. 11 December, 14 December, 16 December, or 22nd December. Yes, Subhash House. Wrong answer. Passes to Jawahar House. Jawahar House. Do you know the correct answer? National Energy Conservation Day is observed on 11 December, 14 December, 16 December, or option D, 22nd December. 16 December. Wrong answer. Kalam House.
14 December.
That's the correct answer. So with this, we'll end this down, and finally we are going to proceed. Wrong. What is the primary source of drinking water on earth? Wrong. Who launched the Ganga Action Plan? Who launched Ganga Action Plan? Next question. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? Largest freshwater lake in India. You can't take such a long time. Next question. Which type of energy is produced using flowing water? Correct. Which country is the home to Amazon rainforest? Which country is the home to Amazon rainforest? Wrong. Which Indian state has the largest mangrove forest? Wrong. What is the name of the hard outer covering of a tree? Yes, answer it.
Name is the Kalam House. Very brilliant. And First team is Kalam House with total 50 marks. And second team Jawahar House 31 marks. Third Subhash House 31 marks. And fourth 23 marks. Congratulations everyone. Congratulations Kalam House for winning this quiz competition. Very well done with full enthusiasm and dedication. And congratulations to other team members, other house members who also played so well. And questions were a little difficult. I was also thinking, but it was very interesting. And I would like to appreciate our teachers' efforts. You have organized such a lovely quiz, very nicely, very wonderful. Okay, thank you.